If your LG water dispenser is stuck in the on position or won't engage, it's usually a simple mechanical or frozen issue. Believe it or not, nearly half of all dispenser issues are caused by ice blockages rather than broken parts. Before you grab your tools, let's figure out if this is a mechanical failure or a simple frozen line. Safety first, unplug the refrigerator immediately if water is continuously flowing to prevent a flood. If the lever feels limp, the return spring has likely snapped or the microswitch is physically jammed. If the lever clicks but no water comes out, your water line is likely frozen inside the freezer door. A dispenser stuck on is usually an electrical or valve issue, while no flow is typically a freeze-up. Cleaning the switch costs nothing, but replacing a failed water inlet valve can run over $100. To clean the switch, remove the trim and use high-grade alcohol to dissolve any sticky residue. You'll only need a few basic tools to get inside the dispenser assembly and fix the lever. Remember this rule of thumb: water that won't stop is a mechanical jam, while no water is usually ice. With the lever cleared and the line thawed, your LG dispenser should be back to normal. Thanks for watching.